First, some people try to solve this expression like this. 5 multiplied by 3 factorial. They think they should calculate this part first. 3 factorial means 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which gives us 6. So they multiply 5 by 6, which gives 30. Then they divide 90 by 30, which gives 3. But this answer is not correct, because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that when we face a mathematical expression, we cannot start solving it from anywhere we like. Instead, we must follow a specific order called the correct order of operations. The correct order of operations is known by a short acronym called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents and roots, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in any mathematical expression, we first calculate parentheses, then exponents and roots, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority. In any expression that has both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation we reach first. Now let's solve the expression correctly. The expression is 90 divided by 5 multiplied by 3 factorial. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the factorial. 3 factorial means 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which equals 6. Now the expression becomes 90 divided by 5 multiplied by 6. Since multiplication and division have equal priority, we move from left to right. First we calculate 90 divided by 5, which gives us 18. Then we multiply 18 multiplied by 6, which gives us 108. So the final answer is 108. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.